how to install a chipper on the back of your tractor. It's pretty much the same as any other implement you're going to put on the back of your tractor. You just got the 3-point top link and the 2 lift links down in the bottom. So you got these 2 pins here and here, and then you've got this right here with the top link hooks up to. And then of course you just got to hook up your PTO shaft. So I gotta take out our pin and the sway chain so that we can adjust our width. Not too much. Take this pin out. And last but not least, top link. I don't have a pin for it. And that's about it. Obviously this chipper's not fully assembled, but you get the idea. That's how you hook up a chipper on the back of your tractor.